Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video we're going to learn how to shade this set notation on the Venn diagram. So this is one of those key skills that you need to know because they ask this very often. Okay, so you can see that in our Venn diagram I drew a classic one where A and B and they overlap. And then I've labeled this 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the various different regions that's possible. So the first region is outside of everything. And then of course 2 is just here, 3 is the overlap, and then 4 is here. So these are the 4 possible areas that you can shade. You can shade 1 or more regions depending on the question. So the first thing we're going to do is we need an understanding of this union here. Right above this part, when you scan the QR code, I actually explain the union and the intersection based on OR and AND, right? So union will mean OR. That means as long as you are in A or B prime, I shade. Okay, so because either one, okay, A or B prime, I will shade. So let's start this. So what we do is we first identify the so-called regions occupied by A. So in this case, A will be the circle, right? So there will be this and this. I'm going to put 1 tick in all the regions covered by A. Now I'm going to do the same thing to B prime. So B prime will be anything that is not inside B. So anything that's not here. So that will be here and here. Okay. So at this point, I've already ticked everything. Both the regions I've ticked. And based on OR, as long as you are in either one, I want to shade. Which means this one I'm going to shade, this one I'm going to shade, this I'm going to shade. So basically everything except region 2. So you just go and shade, whatever. Okay, so as long as I have a tick, I'm going to shade. That's for union. Now in that same light, now let's move on to the next part. You can see it's the same Venn diagram, still 1, 2, 3, 4, I labeled already. Again, I have 2 regions, but the difference is this time it is intersection. Now in terms of English, intersection means both A prime and B. So I need to be both to be covered by this 2 and then I shade, which means let's do it normally. So I'm going to still do the same thing. I'm going to shade A prime, right? So A prime will be A, but anything outside, that will be here and here. Okay, so these 2 ticks indicate A prime, and I'm going to shade B. So B is very obvious, it's just here and here. Now the only difference now is instead of shading the areas with any tick, I can only shade number 2 because only region 2, this one, has 2 ticks. So the significance of 2 tick is you belong to this and you also belong to this because the condition is both A prime and B. So this is the only region that got ticked twice. So this is the answer. So there's a very subtle difference between union and intersection, and many people still don't get it in their lives. So hope you learned something today. Thank you and bye-bye.